Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to fix your laptop battery if it drains out way too fast. So the first thing that you can change is the power mode of your laptop. To do that, right click on the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, select power and sleep settings, and then select the power mode, and right here change the power mode to best power efficiency to ensure that your device works for as long as possible. And the next thing is to lower the brightness of your screen. To do that, left click on these three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then move this upper slider to the left to the point where the brightness is still comfortable for you. And the lower the brightness, the longer your laptop will serve you on one battery capacity. And the next thing that you can do is check which applications that you use drain your battery the most. To do that, right click on the taskbar, select Task Manager. Then right here in the Processes tab, you can right click on one of the column headers, so for example this one, and then open power usage column. Click on it, click on the header, and right now you'll be able to see the applications that are causing your device's battery to drain out. And to disable such application, you just simply have to right click on it and select End Task, and this way you can disable this application. And the next thing that you can do is disconnect all the Bluetooth devices that you're not currently using. To do that, open the Start menu, go to Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and find the devices that are connected to your laptop right now, and right click right here on the 3-dot icon right here, and select Remove Device. But for me, as you can see right now, nothing is connected and Bluetooth is turned off, and also turning the Bluetooth off reduces the amount of resources needed for your device to function, so also keep your Bluetooth off when you don't need it. And next thing is keeping your laptop up to date. So go to Settings, scroll down to Windows Update, and check if there are any updates available for your PC, because some updates will optimize your battery usage settings, and it might also help you solve your issue. If you have any updates available, then go ahead, take your time and install them. And yeah, that's basically it. And the last thing that I want you to take a look at is your battery health, because sometimes your battery is just worn out way too much, and in such cases the only solution for your battery draining way too quickly is to replace the battery itself. If you want to know how drained your battery is already, simply open the Start menu and start looking for CMD. Once you find the command prompt, run it as administrator, click yes, and right here you have to input power CFG spacebar / battery report. And when you're ready, press enter, and as you can see, battery life report was saved to this path. So copy this path like this, right click on it to copy, open your file explorer or your browser, it doesn't matter. Open the path field and paste the path that you just copied and press enter. And on this battery report page, you'll generally find everything you need to know about your battery, but the only thing that interests us in this case is the design capacity and full charge capacity. So the design capacity is the original capacity that your device's battery could originally hold, but the full charge capacity is the current state of your battery. So basically, if I have to make it quick, if this number of watts an hour is much lower than the design capacity watts per hour level, then you should consider replacing the battery, because once this number becomes too low, your device will start discharging way quicker than it's used to, and there is no solution to that except for replacing the battery. And basically that's all I wanted to mention in this video. So if you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.